Recirculating water farming in factories, free from the limitations of the natural environment. In the factory recycled water aquaculture base, you can't see the traditional ponds and soil. There are only modern breeding equipment. Among them, breeding equipment in the breeding base are mainly made of PP material. In addition, according to the different breeding species and breeding density, to design the equipment that meets the breeding needs, an indoor factory circulating water breeding. The water in each breeding tank maintains the optimal temperature for aquatic products all year round. Batch farming can be realized in 1 year. Anti-seasonal aquaculture, high-end aquatic products breeding, can obtain better market advantages in the process of aquaculture, can also according to different needs. Fish, shrimp, crab and other aquatic products can be cultured. The whole set of circulating water equipment mostly adopts automatic control. A plant requires only 2 to 3 aquaculture workers throughout the year. This kind of aquaculture environment can be described as comfortable for fish and people. The highlight of the factory farming system also lies in the addition of the Internet of Things module. Full monitoring of water quality. Once the water quality, equipment abnormalities, the system will automatically adjust the corresponding water treatment equipment, water quality treatment and send alert information to the cell phone terminal, inform the farming management personnel, and can be controlled remotely.